Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, I got these AirPods, lightning connector. I have the own Max, or what, iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it has a lightning, so I'm using this. This is the unofficial brand. It's not the my Apple one. So let's open it up. Okay, so how do I remove this? Just pull it out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it has earbuds. Prefer the earbuds without the gel. Yeah, the silicone. And then it has a lightning connector. Mute button. And it looks like an official one. Pretty sure it's not. There it is. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.